ਸਾਧ ਜਨਾ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Start straight away, so could you stay here? And it needs to be a bit louder so we can hear it. Hold on now. We're going to Fateh again now, yeah?
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। राग कनरा चुप दे महला चौथा घर पहला। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत। अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे। मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे। मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे। मेरा मन साध साधु मिल साधु वसगत करे आज तल तल पसारे बद जो जल तल पसारे बद घस मीना वसगत करे मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे मेरा मन साध मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे 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 हर के संत हर के संत संग फलनी के संत जना संत जना जना मल हरिया मैं तुल गया सबनी कर मैं तुल गया सबनी कर जो साबुन काबर करे काबर करे मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे मेरा मन साध मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे 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 मस्तक लीलाद लिखिया दुर ठाकर सतगुर चरण गुर सतगुर चरण चरण उर तरे सब दालत दो पंज प्रभ पाया दालत दो पंज प्रभ पाया जन नानक नाम नानक नाम नाम दरिया मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे मेरा मन साध मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरे 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 बल 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 साध जना को
has become completely enraptured, completely captivated by your great saints. Jire tere sadhu ne mera man sadh jana mil harya. Hum bal 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 is short for balihar, which means sacrifice, which means I would give everything, I would sacrifice everything, I would put everything down for them. And in this Shabd, our fourth master, Sri Guru Ram Das Sahib, Sudhi Santan, ek baar ni char bari, hum bal 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 sadh jana ko mil sangat par utar. Mera man kaate balihar janda hai? Because of their mindfulness, their rehni, their behni. Gurmukho, in this day of infinite sants, where every other pracharak that comes to the UK is a sant, a sadhu of such and such village, of such and such bend, 5th generation from such and such sadhu. I often ask myself, hey Malik, with which benchmark, with which scale can I measure these sants? Because they can't all be your true sants, Malik. And unfortunately, the standard has been set very, very high. Up until the late 80s, we had some very, very strong personalities, jire naam karke, bandagi karke, they were very, very strong, spiritual, mindful sants. As time progressed, Santhood, Santgiri became a business, and my view is that many of the sants that started to travel these shores saw it as a business, they saw it as an opportunity. Paisa kattha karan vaste, apni mehma vadhaun vaste. But the benchmark, the standard has been set very high. Baba Nand Singh, one of the greatest sants, one of the greatest sadhus of the 20th century. He set the standards very high, Gurmukho, oho maya de chakkar de vich paya nahi. So this whole question about ki oh paise ikatthe karta hai, or that he's doing this just to feed his family and ship money off to his family, or build his dairy, ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ. This was taken right out of the equation. Kyunke when you went to see Baba Nand Singh, or when you went to one of his darbars, you did not put any paisa in front of the Guru Granth Sahib or in front of the sadhu. Utthe paisa charda nahi siga. You were not allowed to put money in front of him. You could meet him, you could speak to him, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਲੇਕਿਨ you could not put any money in front of him. So that is taken out of the equation ਕਿ ਇਹ ਪੈਸੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਦੂਜੀ ਗੱਲ, not a single piece, a foot square of land was ever put under his name. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਜ਼ਾਇਦਾਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੀ. There's no land registered in his name. He moved from village to village, from forest to forest, and did his divans there. Jithe thaan mili utthe Maharaj da prakash karke utthe oni akhand path khula lena, utthe kirtan karna, utthe naam bandagi karni, and that was it. They would move on. So this whole question कि ये ज़मीन इकट्ठी कर रहा है, that he is gathering land, did not come into the equation, Gurmukho. और उसकी यह भी मर्यादा सीगी that I will not see a lady on her own. ਜਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਆਦਮੀ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਭਰਾ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਪਿਓ, her father, her husband, her brother, someone has to accompany her. Because Gurmukho, he did not fall into any of these scandals to this very day. No one has been able to cast any kind of eye of doubt on Baba Nand Singh. He set the standard very high, Gurmukho. Hom bal 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 sad jana ko mil sangat par utarya. The inspiration, the love that I receive in that sangat helps me. If you don't receive that in a sangat, Gurmukho, then leave that sangat. Je thanu the pyar nahi milda, you are not inspired, thadi jehdi sikhi hai, your love for your guru does not strengthen your love for the guru, that nourishment is not fulfilled, then leave that sangat, Gurmukho. The ki karna jaake tusi? I did sangat of a great Mahapurush, Baba Miha Singh, who is a follower of Baba Nand Singh, and at the end of every single katha he used to say one thing to us. When you went to see him personally, he used to say the same thing. Ke Gurmukho, jere sant, jere Mahapurush thanu Guru de charna de naal jorde ne, those Mahapurush, those sant that bring you closer to the Guru, that instruct you to follow the Guru, that teach you that the Guru's word is God's word. Gurmukho, ona di sangat karya karo. Go and see them, go and participate in their sangat. Lekin jere sant thanu Guru to dur kar rahe ne aur apne charna naal jod rahe ne, in other words, those saints that take you away from the Guru and claim to be a great Guru themselves, jere aap आखदे ने कि गुरु दी तां लोड़ ही नहीं, क्योंकि I can give you everything, तुसी मैनू अरदास करो, pray to me and I will give you what you want. गुरमुखो, उन्हां दी संगत करनी अच्छी नहीं है कि कूर है, it is not good, stop participating in that संगत. मेरा मन साध जना मिल हरिया, हाँ बल 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 साध जना को मिल संगत पार उतरिया. हाँ बल 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 साध जना को, हाँ बल 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 साध जना को मिल संगत, मिल संगत पार उतरिया, मिल संगत पार उतरिया. मेरा मन साधे जना मिल हरिया, मेरा मन साधे जना मिल हरिया, मेरा मन साधे, मेरा मन साधे जना मिल हरिया, मेरा मन साधे जना मिल हरिया, मेरा मन साधे जना मिल हरिया, मेरा मन साधे, मेरा मन साधे, मेरा मन साधे जना मिल हरिया. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की